ስሙ ገብርኤል የተባለ ለድንግል ነገራት መልካም ዜና እንደምትወልደው ወልድን በድንግልና እንደምትወልደው ወልድን በድንግልና ባሰማት ጊዜ ቃሉን ቅዱስ ገብርኤል በለዛ ድንግል ቀረበች ወደ እርሱ ፍጹም ትሕትናን ይዛ።
I love my wife more than words can express. She is not just my partner. She is my greatest blessing. She is my best choice, my good fortune, and the light that brightens my darkest days. When the world feels cold, she is my warmth. When my heart is restless, she brings me peace. In moments of fear, she is my courage. When doubts creep in, she is my unwavering faith. When I feel weak, she lifts me up with her love and support. She is my truth in a world full of uncertainty, my rock when everything else feels unstable. I love my wife because she has turned my life